Welcome to Cudoo. Go to cudoo.com and click on Login. Enter your email address and the password you received in your email and click Login. This will take you to your dashboard, My Courses. Use the search. Enter Chinese, for example. Click on Cultural Awareness. Click on the lesson. And then click Start Course. Read and learn in the course. Whenever you see an icon, click on it to reveal more information. When you have finished, don't click Mark Complete, but click on the next lesson. You can go to the next lesson at the bottom or in the left-hand menu bar. When you have finished, click My Dashboard in the top menu to find your next course. Again, use the search. Type Chinese. Go to Chinese Mandarin Online Course Level 1 and click Enroll to add to your library or your list of My Courses. Then click on the first lesson. Play the video. At the end, mark Complete. This allows you to go to the next lesson. You must do each lesson in order. Mark Complete automatically takes you to the next lesson. Then go back to your dashboard to find more courses. Or log in, go to your dashboard, click on the course to get back to where you were learning, and carry on. Whenever you see an icon, click for the audio and click to see the next slide. There is a quiz at the end of each of these lessons. Do the quiz, click Check to check your answers. Click Check to check your answer. And then mark Complete. Remember, anytime you want to carry on learning, simply go to cudoo.com, click Login, enter your email and your password, and this will take you to your dashboard, My Courses. From there, you can carry on learning.